Just got back from 7 days in the French Riviera, a mix of coastal towns, great food, and a bit of everything in between. I explored places I'd been curious about, found a few surprises, and learned some useful things along the way. So here's a quick look at what I did, what I learned, and what might help if you're planning a trip there yourself. Before we dive into the full itinerary, let me quickly share some tips that really made my trip smoother. Stay in Nice is such a good base. Beautiful, lively, and super well connected. I honestly could have spent the whole week there and still had an amazing time. You don't need a car. Buses run all along the coast. They are affordable and the views are so worth it. The beaches are rocky. Like, bring water shoes if you actually want to swim, without hurting your feet. Learn that one the hard way. Eat local and often. Try the Provençal dishes, go for the Italian spots, and yes, gelato every day. I stand by the choice. Go early or go late when visiting places like Aix or Monaco. Midday gets packed and hot, especially if you're walking uphill. Coffee, shoes, and sunscreen. You'll be walking a lot, and even in spring, the sun's intense. Don't skip Castle Hill in Nice. It's a bit of a climb, but the view at the top, totally worth it. And it's free. Get a zoo travel card. €50 for unlimited train, bus, and tram rides for 7 days. I saved so much with this, and it made moving around super chill. I started off in Nice and picked up my zoo card at the train station. First stop was the Russian Orthodox Cathedral, super impressive and peaceful. Then I wandered the Promenade des Anglais, dipped my toes in the sea, grabbed something to eat, and climbed up Castle Hill right before sunset. My tip, late afternoon is the perfect time to go. Golden light, cooler weather, and fewer people. Day 2 was all about the perfume. I headed to Grasse, where I toured the Fragonard factory. Then I got lost, in the best way, in the cobbled streets and visited this old, peaceful church in the town center. Monaco surprised me. It's all glam on the outside, yachts, luxury cars, a casino, but there are quiet corners too. I love the Japanese garden and explored the old town. Get there early to enjoy it before the crowds, and if you want to go into the casino, bring your passport and dress up a bit. One of the most elegant stops of the trip. The villa was gorgeous, and the gardens, wow. The views of the coast were just unreal. Take your time there. I would say give yourself at least 2 hours. The moment I arrived in Menton, I knew it was something special. I love lemons, and here they are everywhere. This tiny town is famous for them, along with its bright buildings and peaceful, dreamy vibe. The views are stunning, the streets feel calm, and the lemon deserts absolutely delicious. It felt like a little piece of paradise. Pro tip: visit the morning when the light is magical and the streets are nearly empty. It's the perfect time to soak it all in. Cannes is well known for its glamorous film festival, but there's much more to this city than the red carpet and the crowds. Beyond the busy festival scene, you will find charming corners, beautiful views, and peaceful escapes nearby. Quickly checked out the famous red carpet before taking a short boat ride to Île Sainte-Marguerite, a quiet green island with a lot of history. You will love it. Bring snacks and water. There aren't many shops, but there are plenty of great spots for a picnic. I saved S for the last day, and it was the perfect way to end the trip. It's a tiny medieval village perched high on a cliff with stunning views. There's also the exotic garden to explore and the Fragonard perfume shop nearby. Unfortunately, it can get a bit crowded. S is small, but very hilly. Wear good shoes because there are stairs everywhere. Every single place has its own vibe, from peaceful mountain towns to fancy beach cities. If you are thinking about the French Riviera, go. Just go. And if you already been or if you are planning your own trip, let me know in the comments. And of course, if you love travel videos and tips, hit the subscribe button. More adventures coming soon. Which French Riviera city was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. In the next videos, I will take you on walking tours through each of these cities so you can really experience the vibe for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe so don't miss any of them.